back to my channel. This week I'll be doing honey garlic salmon and mashed potatoes. So at this time, as you can see, I'm just removing the salmon fillets from their packets and placing them in a bowl of water. As per usual, I'm using a few squirts of lemon juice just to clean the salmon fillets basically. I prefer using lemon juice because I feel like salmon is more delicate, so I prefer using lemon juice over vinegar. Alright, so now we're adding some complete seasoning. And then a bit of black pepper. And then my favorite spice, cayenne pepper. And now I'm just trying to go in to ensure that the seasoning is evenly distributed, but I just feel scared to even touch the salmon because I just feel like they're going to break. So I'm being very gentle in how I'm rubbing the seasoning into the salmon. It's not like chicken where I can just, move more delicately with the salmon. As indicated by the title, it's honey garlic salmon, so I'm adding a few dashes of garlic. I don't really want it too overpowering. I prefer more honey than garlic. So just you can add as much as you like, but I'm just adding a few dashes. Before you cut up your potatoes, please wash them. I like to pretend like I'm seasoning the potatoes with the soap, so I just drizzle the soap on them. But just wash your potatoes. So I'll be searing the salmon using butter instead of oil because the butter is going to add, a nicer flavor than if I just use regular olive oil. So add a little butter to your pot, and then you're gonna add the salmon next. I move the salmon frequently because I don't want it to stick to the pot. If you don't like the skin, you can save the part that doesn't have the skin first, so that when you flip it, the skin is going to stick to the pot and you can just easily remove it. ketchup as the base, then a drop of lemon juice. Then we're gonna add a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, not too much because Scotch bonnet is kind of overpowering. Then fish and meat sauce, then my favorites, pimento sauce. Yeah, it was almost finished, so I had to add water to it. And then shake it up. And then we're gonna do 4 capfuls of soya sauce. Alright, now it's time for the star of the show, guys, honey. You can add as much honey as you like. So this is how the salmon looks after being in the oven for about 25 minutes, and this is the finished product. Thanks for watching. Bye.